Okay folks, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today I'm just going to show you a quick way to make a backplate in SheetCAM. I've shown you how to do it in Inkscape. You can do it in Inkscape, you can do it in a CAD program, but in this case the customer that wanted to know is using SheetCAM, and it's really simple to do in SheetCAM without the extra steps. So all you're going to do is like this. I've brought the design in, I have it on my sheet. So now you're just going to simply go to this button here, Edit Contours. It looks like a little red outline with a pointer on it. Select that, come down to your design, right click in here and select all inside contours. And from that, if you had multiple layers, you can select all layers. In this case, this design only has one layer, so I could pick either from all layers or from layer 0. I'm just going to say from all layers, just in case there was an extra layer there I wasn't aware of. Now, as you can see, all those inner contours turned white because they've all been selected. Now just come over here and right click again, and then you're going to say move to layer, new layer, and then you're going to name that layer. I'm going to call it NA because it's not the layer I want to cut. I'm going to click OK, and now all of those cuts have been moved to a new separate layer. So now the only thing left to do is go to Operation, Plasma Cut, and you're going to apply your plasma cut operation. If you go to your layers here, you'll see now instead of just layer 0, I have layer 0 and layer NA, and I just want to cut layer 0. So make sure layer 0 is selected, not the one you just created, NA, and click OK. And as you can see, that's simple. Now SheetCAM is going to cut out just the outside contour, and it's going to ignore all the inner details because those are a separate layer. So that is a really simple way to cut a backplate for a design without having to go into your editing software and edit the design. I hope that helps some people out. Thanks for watching.